Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today we are looking at a 2017 Crest 230 pontoon with the Suzuki 115. Guys, this is a fresh trade. Just took it in, fresh water boat. It's got a Suzuki 115 ski tow bar, approximately 75 hours. We just did a full service on it. Nice boat. Walking aboard, you'll see it does have a vinyl floor. Nice table here in the stern. Loungers in all corners with side-by-side captain's chairs. Guys, looking at the dash, you'll see it's got the Fusion stereo upgrade, the Ranch depth finder. Guys, it's got a full cover and individual seat covers. That's them sitting right there. And looking up front, you'll see more nice loungers. Plenty of storage underneath all of them. It does have the Fusion premium stereo upgrade. Guys, this is the Crest 60th anniversary edition. Super nice boat. Awesome pontoon. Like I said, Fusion stereo upgrade. Nice mechanical gauges. The Ranch depth finder. And something that's super cool on this is it does have the captain's cooled cup holder. So keep your beverage nice and cold for you. Anyways, guys, for more information, please visit our website at MarineMax.com to look at our full selection of inventory or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you. Have a great day.